First, I have a question for you. Do you like horror movies? The thrill of wanting to know what is behind the door if only time could go faster. Horror movies have a huge cult following from the earliest hits such as Amityville Horror and Poltergeist to The Conjuring and The Blair Witch Project. Horror movies have left us all crawling under our sheets and basking in the safety of our blankets. But apart from the scary costume, makeup, and storyline, what really makes these movies induce such fear in us? I'll tell you. Have you ever noticed the calm you feel sometimes when you mute a horror movie at an intense scene? That is because of the use of infrasound in most horror soundtracks. What are infrasounds? Infrasounds are low frequency sounds mostly played during suspenseful scenes which induce fear within us. These sounds, in a 2011 study by the University of California, mimic the sounds caused during natural disasters and earthquakes. Evolutionarily, we as humans are designed to be afraid when we hear such sounds, as it tells us that we are under threat. Sounds that tend to set off this alarm in our brains induce anxiety and make us want to watch the next scene at the edge of our seats, or maybe with our hands covering half of our eyes. Usage of sound effects like women screaming, babies crying, and shrill creaky sounds also sets off the stay alert alarm in our brain. The sound of animals crying or humans making negative sounds like screaming, crying, and other distressful sounds are considered by our brains as abnormal sounds, which means sounds that are made only during important or unique circumstances, which probably are dangerous. The use of volume from low to high as the camera pans towards the area of suspense also plays a huge role in setting the stage for the ghost to pop right up. Did you know a 90-minute horror movie with scary scenes is said to burn 100 to 200 calories? Watching horror movies also makes you more active as your brain is trying to analyze and understand everything in full force. Hence, if you are tired, watching a horror movie will wake you up. Horror movies also increase that adrenaline kick in your system that is said to help increase the activity of white blood cells. White blood cells help in keeping us healthy and boost our immune system. Now, along with your previous knowledge on horror movies, knowing all these facts can be another feather to your cap.